He seemed empty, like it wasn't even him. I closed my eyes, and all I would see was snakes and bugs everywhere. You know, the serpent is a very powerful being.
Nancy, get off the bed. Look, you scared the shit out of him. Thank you very much. Let's go.
No, he's gonna pay. Just jealous.
Jealous? Jealous? You don't even exist to me.
You don't even exist. You are nothing. You are shit. You don't exist. The only way you know how to treat women is by treating them like whores when you're the whore, and that's gonna stop. You understand? Understand what I'm saying?
I'm sorry.